Hi, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name's Dave, and today we're out here working on our sawmill shed. So the overall layout of this shed is going to be 12 foot deep and 36 feet long. So what we're going to have on the very end is an 8x12, kind of like a workshop where I'm going to keep some of my spare parts. I plan on putting a small little wood stove in there to get warmed up while we're out here milling. And then the rest of this is all just going to be to house the mill. So we got our barn barrel going here, burning up some of the real thin slabs that we're not going to use for firewood. And we're finishing up to setting the last few posts. So I figured I'd bring y'all along with us, and hopefully y'all stick around. Thanks. Sure is a good workout setting post, especially by hand. We had quite a few trees around here, if y'all were following along, so I've been fighting through some roots, but I think we're on the home stretch here on this one. Tell you what, these diggers here, I think I bought them from Lowe's when we first got the place, and I built all my buildings using these. The one handle, it's about shot at the bottom, but still moving along. Probably set well over 100 posts between fence and buildings. I like them, they're lightweight. They're kind of small, but being light sure does let you run them for a while. Taking these holes about 2.5 foot deep or so, and another very controversial topic, but we're just pouring dry sackcrete around them. Hope y'all don't mind too much, but I've built all my buildings that way and haven't had an issue yet, so I think it works just fine. We'll take a little stick, kind of probe around the concrete, make sure it's all settled in real nice, tamp it as we fill, you know, about half a bag, give it a little tamp, add some more, and I tell you what, the results are like I said, haven't had any issues, so I'd say the results are pretty good. Alright, so we finished setting the last two posts on this side. Now we're going to do the visual check. So that is really nice. Alright, so we got the MT125 out, and we're going to go ahead and scrape off a little bit of this here where these roots are, just to allow us to make the plane for our floor. Making good progress. saved us some effort there. We'll go ahead and clean up a little bit here. Probably just take my axe and chop these roots a little bit, and then we're going to start laying our decking. All right, everyone, quick update. So for floor joists, these runners here, those are 8/4 6-inch ash boards, real heavy. And then we've got actual 2x6s on the floor joists, and every 4 foot is going to be another 8/4 ash. So we'll have one more there just to make sure it's good and solid. But we're making good progress. Wanted to give y'all an update here as we go. Sun's just setting on us, still snowing, still keeping warm. All right, everyone, we're packing up. We got our floor joists in. We got one sheet of OSB down. Looks real nice, everything good and square. Really pleased with it so far. All right, well, we'll sheet the rest of it, start on the walls. Well, as we clean up here, I just wanted to stop and thank you all for joining our videos. I really appreciate the support. Love the comments and the feedback. So if you would, leave your comments below, and I'll be sure to get back with you there. We getting them, bud? Oh, you want that one? Oh, there we go. Good job. You dropped your bank. All right, guys, so we're gonna frame out our door yet. Left that stud out so I can frame out a window. We're moving right along. All right, there we go. We got 2 walls framed and sheeted. I'm gonna put the window there. I still have to frame that yet. Coming along nicely. Well, we have 3 sides framed and sheeted. Be moving on to the roof next. It's nice to actually work in here now without blasting winds.